So assume that all the beginners are like me, nomad, kind of nomad, because they go from the living room to the garage to outside and things like that. So the SL is very important because you need something strong. You can transport from one place to another place, and in that area also you can find many kind of SL. So I suggest you some of them here. All are good, depend where you work, how you work, if you are your own studio or not. But that also depends on you. If you used to go to a workshop with your friend, or you can go to paint with a friend in a friend's house, choose something that you can carry with you. Okay, that is good. Okay, so everything is finished now for my main tools and advice about the minimum things you have to buy in the budget of around $200 US. So something that I did not include in my PDF is things that are absolutely normal. Different kind of material, for example, okay, rags, a lot of rags. You need rags. I have full of rags in my area. I use also that kind of things. Okay, there are kind of cups. Okay, I use them, because it's easy to wash your brush, to take care of your brush. For example, okay, you put what you need and you clean your brush inside that. So yeah, it's very good. I have plenty. I used to give some to my students because it's easy to find and it's not very expensive. Okay, two things again after wrapping up this video. Varnish, you will need a varnish, but for that you have to work properly. If your painting is not good, I don't know why, you have to varnish it. Put it to the trash and start again. Sorry. And another thing I use to clean my palettes, my stuff, all my stuff, it's very simple, it's very cheap. It's sunflower oil. With that sunflower oil, I can, clean my palettes. I show you my palettes, but they are very clean. Okay, look. If they are clean like that, it's just because I use sunflower oil, and there is a reason for that, but I will not tell you now because it's not the purpose of that video. So once again, my PDF is down below. Feel free to download, feel free to comment and ask me questions, but you are not free for one thing: thumbs up. You have to put me one thumbs up, and for that I thank you very much. So till the next video, never give up, even though you are a beginner, because you have a long journey ahead of you. So till the next time, never give up, keep painting, and see you soon in the next video.